Usually makes a clicking noise when I turn left. All right, you guys, I just got my car back, so we're gonna go ahead and test this out to make sure that we don't hear any more clicking. No more clicking. Okay guys, so here's the problem here. So they found a GPS improperly installed. So my car, it has a GPS theft system that's installed there, and it looks like they put it in the steering area, and that was rubbing against the steering wheel when it would turn. So they're able to take that out and relocate it. So if you guys are having any similar issues, make sure that they didn't install anything in that area, and more than likely that's probably the problem if you're hearing it coming from the steering area there. All right, you guys, so please make sure to like and subscribe. Let's keep this channel going. In the future, I'm also going to be posting some videos on some modifications that I'm going to do on my GX. So stay tuned, everyone.